M177 cylinder heads. Today it's Wednesday, 31st of August 2022, obviously. Okay, still, what do we have? Yesterday I received the cylinder heads, I washed them, I have the other one there. Time to put some valves, valve seals, springs, retainers, dressing it. Driver side cylinder head done. Alright, moving on with the passenger side. Let's wrap it for now until it comes the time to install it, and then we're gonna open it later on. Yeah, looking good, right? Not bad. Also passenger side ready. Let's move on. Engine out, need to remove the damper pulley. Yeah, okay. Head gaskets here, cylinder heads here. What I'm gonna do, I don't have the ARP studs yet, okay? And they told me to close it with the stock head bolts. The thing is, I don't even have the stock head bolts. I don't have the new one, I have the old one. What I'm gonna do now, to continue, obviously I'm not gonna be able to put the camshafts because after that, how I'm gonna do it? I'm gonna put them on, I'm not gonna crash the head gaskets, I'm gonna stop on the first step. And then I have to take out the old one at a time, put the new one, the first step, again, first step. That means I'm not gonna give the 90 degrees the stretch, I'm gonna give only the 40 Newton meters, how much the first step. And at least don't delay, from this point of view only, alright? The pins, tail pins, let's call it this one, back in place, all four of them. Moving on. Bank 1 on. Bank 2 head gasket. Like I said, the pins in place, prepared. Cylinder head here. Let's put also this one. Now, engine upside down. The guides, the timing chain, assembly grease, obviously. Alright. All in place. Yeah, fine. I have the water pump. The water pump is here. Oh, come on. Water pump, it's here, the new one. I can install it actually. I don't have a reason to stay out, right? Why? Yeah. Start closing stuff here and there. Have the oil pump chain, the oil pump is here, the oil pickup tube is here, the oil pan, and the small oil pan, the plastic one that's on the bottom. Yep, moving on, moving on. News. They told me that we're gonna waiting for the studs, to put the studs on the cylinder heads, and not the stock bolts. So, I'm stopping it here. I cover the engine obviously. Whenever I'm gonna have the rest of the parts, I'm gonna uncover it to see the rest. That's it for now. That's it for now. Pausing the M177, pausing the 0.9, pausing the 0.6. I'm waiting. At least I received today the clutches. That's different video. You're gonna tell me. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Let's see when we're gonna get the parts.